Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the part 32 of important notes for biochemistry so that you can easily able to answer the one-liners and the MCQs in your exam. Rothera's test is used for detection of the ketone bodies and positive test indicates the acetoacetate and the acetone. Gerhardt's test is used for detection of the ketone bodies. Positive test indicate the acetoacetate, but over here it is not used for acetone detection. No test available for the beta-hydroxybutyrate. Liver cannot use ketone bodies because of the absence of the thiophorase enzyme. Red blood cells cannot use ketone bodies because they lack mitochondria. Neutral ketone body is the acetone. First enzyme of the ketone body synthesis is the thiolase enzyme. Immediate precursor of acetoacetate is the HMG-CoA. Beta oxidation of fatty acid basically occurs in the mitochondria and occurs in the fasting state or starvation state. No ATP are produced by oxidation of the very long chain fatty acid and alpha oxidation of the fatty acid. Any defect in the beta oxidation leads to non-ketotic hypoglycemia. Ketotic hypoglycemia occurs in the von Gurk's disease. Chitin acyl transferase 1 or the chitin palmitoyl transferase 1. Okay, now this is the chitin palmitoyl transferase 1, or we can say another name of it is the chitin acyl transferase 1. Now this enzyme actually transports acyl carnitine into the mitochondrial matrix and also transports free carnitine, as you can see, free carnitine out from the mitochondrial matrix. Okay, this CPT1 or the CAT1 actually transfers the, or we can say transports the acyl carnitine inside or into the mitochondrial matrix, and it also transports free carnitine out from the mitochondrial matrix. Muscles do not synthesize fatty acids. Malonyl-CoA having 3 carbons is the inhibitor of the chitin palmitoyl transferase 1 or the chitin acyl transferase 1. In fat state, beta oxidation is inhibited. 106 ATPs are obtained by the beta oxidation of 16 carbon palmitic acid. 120 ATPs are obtained by beta oxidation of 18 carbon stearic acid. 2 ATPs are used in the activation of the fatty acid for the beta oxidation. Long chain acyl CoA dehydrogenase starts breaking a long chain fatty acid and can break up to 12 carbons. Medium chain acyl CoA dehydrogenase works after long chain acyl CoA dehydrogenase and can do all cleavage below the 12 carbons. Medium chain acyl CoA dehydrogenase deficiency is autosomal recessive and is the most common inborn error of the beta oxidation. During starvation, patient with the medium chain acyl CoA dehydrogenase deficiency has low ketone bodies and hypoglycemia or non-ketotic hypoglycemia may occur. Ketotic hypoglycemia occurs in the von Gurk's disease and in alcoholism. Jamaican vomiting sickness. Now what is this? Now this Jamaican vomiting sickness occurs after ingestion of the unripe fruits of ackee tree, which contains a toxin named the hypoglycin. Now this basically inhibits the fatty acyl CoA dehydrogenase enzyme. Generally, fats can never be converted to carbohydrate, but there are 2 exceptions, that is glycerol and propionic acid. In vitamin B12 deficiency, L-methylmalonic acid and propionic acid are excreted in the urine. In vitamin B7 deficiency, propionic acid is excreted in the urine. Odd chain fatty acids can form glucose just like they form the propionyl-CoA, but even chain fatty acid cannot. Beta oxidation of very long chain fatty acid occurs in the peroxisome up to octanoyl-CoA. Rest occurs in the mitochondria. Now the Zellweger syndrome or the cerebrohepatorenal syndrome. Now this Zellweger syndrome basically occurs because of the accumulation of the polyenoic acid in the brain containing more than 22 carbons. Zellweger syndrome is the most severe paroxysmal biogenesis disorder. In the Zellweger syndrome, there is accumulation of the phytanic acid and the very long chain fatty acid. And as you can see over here, these are the symptoms of the Zellweger syndrome. So today up till here, we'll discuss about the further important notes in our next video. Thank you so much.